with that V-shaped recovery. There we go. All right, so let's make sure everything's working. That looks good. That looks good. There we go. Finally getting that pullback on SpaceX. Oh, you see that?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Look at this, starting to sell off. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
$155.20.
Look at the green trying to come in. The believers. The believers. Come on.
World Cup. What are you doing, dude, besides trying to cause a wreck?
Who? The World Cup?
No, this person in this looked like he doing that CarMax doing a test drive, and he just ran whatever car he in. He just ran up the whole sidewalk.
Oh yeah. Guys, we're bullish on SpaceX right now. SpaceX is making higher lows. I mean, 156, boom. And now it's holding 160.
Yeah, just 161 bounced off the VWAP.
Let's see though. Let's see what's going on here. Let's move this over in the 5-minute candle, which is crazy. In the 5 minutes, you have some big movements. 168 all the way down to 155. So we are holding, but just be patient. You want to see this break 168. This is kind of like what I'm watching. You want to see this break 168. You could trade this pattern if you wanted to. You could trade this for now. Did you see Jess's message in the WAP?
You mentioned who, me?
No. She said, why are QQ and Spy down? Wouldn't they rock it with SpaceX or not heavy enough weight? I don't believe that they've been allocated to QQ or Spy yet, right? SpaceX? It's going to take time, right?
Yeah, they won't. To the Spy, it's going to be a year. And to the Qs, it's going to be 15 days. So that's why I kept saying NASA.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm watching this level. We got Tommy in the house. All right. Okay, here we go.
I put the breakdown on town. What was it? The announcement tab.
Guys, I just want to really quickly show NASA. Jay Young put this in the WAP to buy at 32 today. Let's trade at 32.30. Interesting. Okay, all right. Let's go back to SpaceX. He likes that 8% allocation. Let's see what it does here. It might break trend here. Oh, he's got it.
Yeah, so this is creating lower highs.
Yeah, it's wild. I don't know. I'm excited. So excited. I love seeing this. It's good stuff. Come on now. I mean, this is bullish right now. So right now it looks good. SpaceX 135 really opened at 150, like you said. We knew, and then from what I'm understanding, I believe that I was talking to somebody about it. They were saying that they changed the rule. It had to be up 30%, Jay Young, for them to start taking profits. Which 30% from 135, 135 times 0.35 would be 47 points. 145 plus 47. I think it was like 170s, 175. They were saying they could start taking profits. I was trying to understand what they were meant by that. I think it meant like the
actual. It's all the same, bro.
Yeah, I know. So say it with your chest. So we got that. But they're talking about how, because everybody's afraid that they're just going to be a bag holder. That's why I don't think this thing's going to die. Because everybody's so afraid of it being a bag holder. I mean, the level 2 even looks pretty good. It's pretty evenly traded. Like looking at the level 2 right now. If you're watching level 2 for SpaceX, it's really not bad, boys. Look at this. Look at the opening here. Like this is the SpaceX opening here right here. And you have pretty good fills. Those fills are very close. So this is very thickly traded. Yeah, I gotta log on my TikTok because we have 70 live people on TikTok right now, Jay Young, but there's so many spammers. There's so many TikTokers or whatever the hell it is.
Yeah, they loading up. This thing gonna take off. Watch.
I feel like it's going higher. Doesn't it look like it? Sure looks like it, brother. Let me just go under the Discat TikTok. I just want to mute some of the AI guys. Go under the Discat TikTok. Discat TikTok.
Okay, we got our first lower high. So let me mark my higher high.
Guys, you definitely, all the guys on TikTok, just realize you can go on my YouTube channel and actually see the real full chart if you want. I'm just leaving it out there for you guys. All right, so I'm looking at it here. We got to break this 167.6. That would be big right now. Let's just, for anybody that just is moving over and seeing what this is on TikTok, this is SpaceX, the most anticipated IPO in history. I put the ticker here if you guys want. You can see it, just so you have it. Love it. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys.
Oh man, I can't buy no more NASA. No. See, 11.51%.
Well, you all out?
Huh?
You all out?
No, I'm saying for its allocation, I can't buy no more.
Of course.
It's over 11%. No. That's all right.
That's crazy.
No, I only put 200 in there. At $32.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
It's just range.
Just waiting to see if we're gonna break
It's just
down here.
ranging.
You know, we're gonna break down. Yeah, we're ranging right now. We're just trading in this triangle, so we'll see. One thing I learned about TikTok, it's full of AI, just blasting your comment section for your live chat.
You should know that by now.
I don't even know how that works though. Oh, DC says it's gonna sell. We'll see. We will see. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. I don't really see any opportunities. I mean, you can trade these bounces. That's definitely for sure. We all waiting for that squeeze.
We all neutral.
Yeah. There's a guy on TikTok that said he wants to short it. Go short it. Let's see how it goes. Short it, man. Don't tell us to short it. You should be shorting it. You should show us how it goes. I want to see you on Wall Street Bets. Yeah. Come on. Come on now.
Right now, it's just riding the 14 EMA.
Yeah, this guy's trying to send us to the shadow realm with Wall Street Bets over here. We're going to see if we're going to hold this 165 or not. Yeah, I love it. So we'll see. Oh, what's happening here? Yeah, what are we at currently right now? 164. We got to break above. Come on. Pump it, Elon. Pump it. You know he's got to be watching this right now, right?
Yeah. It's determined if he's going to become a trillionaire or not.
I thought he was now already after this.
Yeah, but it has to close.
Yeah, I don't think he cares. What does it matter? At this point, there we go. Finally, we're breaking trend. There we go. Ah, we go. Could we have listened to you? Maybe. Who knows? That people are shorting. We love it. Jay Young, somebody's asking for financial advice on TikTok. They said, what is a good sell price?
The price that you're looking for a profit.
Alright, we're just YouTubers and we're on WAP, man. We can't give you that advice, you know?
How much you want to make?
That's it.
That's the price you sell it.
Guys, you can jump over to the YouTube as well. There's 100 of you on TikTok right now. If you want the full screen, you can see it on YouTube as well if you want. Just throwing it out there, boys. All right, let's see here. SpaceX rejecting EMAs right here coming in. Even on the 5-minute, did you see this? Oh, why is it not showing?
I'm watching the 1 minute.
Oh, it's because it's too slow. That's why. Okay, yeah. So I can only use the 1-minute EMAs right now, but it's rejecting the EMAs right now. You can see this. So we should start coming down here. We rejected right there on the 1 minute, on the 9 and the 21. VWAP is all the way down at 157. This is VWAP at 157.
How you got 157?
That's what Weeble's saying, bro. You see? Look at my screen. VWAP.
Are you anchoring from the lower low?
Yep.
I got 161.81 from the anchoring from the lower low. From the open.
You know what? This is Weeble. Let me bring it up on my actual Fidelity Trader Pro. Give me a second. Okay,
Are you using the session? You using the session VWAP or the anchor?
My VWAP is 157. Just VWAP, not anchored. If I use anchored on Fidelity, let me just look it up in a different color here. I'll make it pink.
Yeah, see, I anchored it from the open lower low. Say 161.
Excuse me. Yeah, no, I'm going 157. Cronky, I thought you were trying to become the world's first TikTok trillionaire.
Should.
He's saying, when should he sell? He's trying to become the world trillionaire. Where'd you buy, Cronky? Someone says, Ify loves, he wants it today. He says that it's gonna sell off to $98. Isn't that incredible? He wants $98. This man is out for blood. I'm wondering why I'm trying to. This is so weird. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. There we go. Guys, we're about to break above higher here. You see that little fake out? We're about to break above higher. This is about to go to 168. Like, it just broke above that. That was scaring everybody. We're trending right now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Here we go. It's trying. If it can get above this, 167's next. Come on. It's looking pretty good. The level 2 is liking it. I'm seeing, oh, big seller, 10,000 share. Oh, 10,000 share seller, 167. This is, wow, 89,000 share seller, 167 just sold, just put out. Wow, there it is. There it is. We're going to new highs, 168. This is it. Now, what do you think? Triple top here, Jay Young, or are we going up? I think we're going to keep going up here.
Yeah, you got a double top now because it didn't hit 168.
Let the candle close, boys. Let the candle close. You still have another minute. Let the candle close. Let the candle close. Look, you're rejecting double top potential here. Let's see. You gotta let this. 1 minute. Let's see where it closes. It's 12:40 right now. Let it close.
We'll make it a lower low, about 154.
There you go. We're about to break above. We are about to break above. Oh, wow. Look at that. I guess we're not breaking above. You see this? Look at this. Hold on. Give it some time. It's got to close. Let's get the 2-minute candle on this. Looks bullish on a 2-minute candle. I think we're going to push up still, though. I mean, like, this. Do you guys see what's happening right here? Let's just see if it forms. I'm going to draw it out now. This is what I'm seeing. Do you guys see this? This is trading simplified. Look at this. I am drawing bulk foliage candles. Let's see if this is what happens. Are we going to consolidate in this zone and then pop up? I'm drawing the candlesticks. Let's see if it comes to fruition now. Let's see if we do this. Bing, bang, boom, bing, bang, boom, and then move back up. That's what we're looking for. Let's see if we get that flag. Come on. Do it for my fans. Now we're going to use the EMA as support. It's very early, but we'll see. We don't want stagnant. We want movement. We want to see this thing blast up. This is what we're looking at right now. We're looking at double top territory. Double top territory right here. Boom, boom. We were calling that double top, but let's see. We do have this little flag forming, so we got to give it a chance. It's not over yet, Rocky. It's not over yet. Isn't trading so exciting? This is why people love day trading. Let's see.
Yeah, it's more fun when you can be at home on a computer, though.
That's fair. This thing looks like it's going to continue selling off. It's not looking good here. It's trying to hold, but it showed that Trading Simplified is watching, and they're like, hold up. Short it down, boys. Guys, I'm just going to do one thing. I don't have the stream stop for a second. Just give me 1 second. Hold on. Give me 1 second. There you go. You're back on. You're back on. Sorry for the intermission. There you go. So let's see. It's trying to hold here. It's trying to hold this. SpaceX pushing back up. Pushing P. Uh-oh. Look what's happening, Jayon. You see this in real time. You see what's happening? Look. I am predicting the future. Come on. Let's break above 168. Let's see this. Oh, no. It'd be really interesting to see if this does form, because I see it on the 2-minute candle forming as well. Let's see if there's heavy sellers on the level 2. I'm looking at the level 2 right now. Nothing yet, but we got to see if it gets close to 168. That's how you will know. Oh, look at that. Look at 4,300 shares. Let's go. There's a 4,300 share seller. They must be just selling to the retail. That's what I'm wondering. I think it's going to push higher, though. I think we're moving higher, boys. Oh. Come on. Time to break out. The top of the chart doesn't go any higher. We need this to break out. Jaeyoung, there's a message on TikTok saying, where's the overall? Where's it going to go? He wants you to know. He wants you to predict the future. What do you think?
Go as high as it wants to go.
Yeah, I mean, guys, we don't know, man. We don't know. I would love to tell you where it's going. I honestly don't know where it's going. That's why I'm watching it right now active on the on the charts. We have potential to move higher here. I mean, this very thin candle pushing up higher. Here we go. There is resistance at 168, but we'll see. The level 2 looks okay. There's only a 3,500 share seller, so it's not big.
You should eat for lunch today, man.
What is it?
Now I'm saying, what should I eat for lunch today?
SpaceX. That's what you should eat for lunch.
I'm about 14 hours away.
From your shift?
No, from SpaceX. It's a 14-hour drive.
Hmm. Yep. See, look at this, guys. We're about to break out and go higher here. SpaceX about to break out higher. Let me just do this. There you go. There you go. Boom. Now we're at all-time highs. Now we can go to the moon. Look at that. Look at the volatility start increasing on this. Look at the volatility. If you could see the level 2 right now, this is incredible. Oh, they're trying so bad to keep it down, all the Elon haters.
Yeah, liquidity grab.
They want it down so bad.
Liquidity grab.
Oh, J.O., your connection.
Liquidity grab.
Boom, we're going higher, boys. We're probably going to 170 easy right now. We're still trading above this. That bull flag formed out. Look at that. Boom. Perfect. Broke out. We read that nice and clean. Let's see what it does. I love when you read something and it comes out. Let's see. Trying to hold here. It's like a grinder, though, you know? So it's like I can't tell if people are just slowly buying shares and just slowly pushing it out. Or it's because, like you said, we got that lockout period and there's nothing they can do right now.
Mm-hmm. They can't sell nothing. They gotta hold the bag.
And right now, it's working out for them. Sometimes holding the bag is all you got to do. Let's go, boys. I don't know why. It's amazing. I can't get these guys to jump over to YouTube. They love TikTok so much more. A heist in broad daylight. Oh my god. I don't know why.
There you go, right there. Doji candle.
This is the link. I just sent the link for you for
there
the YouTube.
You go.
The YouTube is exactly the same. It's trading simplified, but I think you need to find the handle. That's probably the more difficult part. Look at that, making new highs. We called that, baby. Come on, 170. Keep going. Guys, I'm not against Tesla. I'm not against Elon Musk. I love seeing stocks go up. I just want to see all of you make money, and me. I want to make money too. I don't care what the stock is, as long as it goes up and we make money, or we short it. Either way. I'll send you guys the shorter YouTube link so you can see. Here you go. I can't even pin it though. I don't even know. There's so many messages now on the TikTok that like it doesn't even. I'm just putting this in so you guys have it. That's the YouTube channel if you want to. I don't even know if you can copy or wherever it goes. I don't think we're gonna halt. Yeah, Jaeyoung, was there a specific price he needed or no?
No.
Aishi still trying to push it down, or Elfi. He's trying to push it down. I like Idea Factory. He goes, you're talking. He goes, you're talking indicators on IPO. You know, I feel like the indicators actually worked out. I mean, look at this. It's trading above the EMAs. It formed this bullish candle right here. Guys, hit the thumbs up button, all right? Buy high, sell low. That's the strategy here, boys. We buy high, we sell low.
Yeah, if you had your moving averages on, they pulled back to the 50 and then bounced up.
Thanks for sharing, Aaron.
Now it's staying above the
170 now. Let's go. We called that out. We called that breakout, which is nice. So, guys, please hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys, and the heart button. And jump over to TikTok, all right? Jump over to YouTube. Bring the 139 you over to YouTube. I got 6 viewers on YouTube. This is so crazy. Look at this. Let me show you guys something real quick. This is the YouTube. I have 6 viewers right now. How is that possible? It doesn't make any sense on my YouTube. Join the YouTube, guys, as we keep pushing higher. If you want the full screen, join the YouTube. Come on. Oh, look at this. 172. It's going even higher. I love it.
I told you it was loading up.
Well, we literally called it out in plain sight. Oh, I wish I had more shares, Jaeyoung. I wish I had more shares. I bought that breakout. This is what I bought. I literally bought in here. And I bought at 167. My stop loss is going to be at 169. I'll put stop loss. I'll just put this here just so you guys know. This is me. Boom. That's the stop loss. I'll put the entry. Entry was right here in this candle. I was trading the bull flag pattern pushing up. Oh, I'm going to get stopped out of me. What the heck? I didn't get to finish my sentence. I'm going to stop out. Oh, what the heck, man? Look at this candle.
Liquidity.
Look at that candle. Are you kidding me? We still made money, but oh my. Holy moly. Guys, stop blowing up my TikTok saying to buy gold. Nobody wants to buy gold. They're buying SpaceX.
Get ready for 164.
164 as per Jaeyoung he's looking at here. Let me see. Let's draw out 164 for him just so he called this out earlier. We're going to put this in yellow. This is the Jaeyoung call out. Look, we're doing call outs now. We're doing call outs. Let's see. It's probably better than all these gamblers on, doing blackjack. So let's just see. This is Jaeyoung's entry. Oh, I got scared during this candle. How do you not take profits during this? I got scared. It was selling off so quick. It took less than 1 minute to go from 172 down to 168. It's all good. Love it. Keep going. Pushing back up though.
See it pull back.
I think Jaeyoung, I think yours is too. I think yours is too. It's too much of a pullback, dude. I think you have to trade this 21 EMA, which is the yellow. You have to trade the EMAs, just like that guy, that jabroni, telling us that we shouldn't be using indicators to trade. I like using EMAs. It's made me profitable trader. I don't know why I wouldn't have it on my chart, but it actually worked out perfect because look, it was riding the 9 EMA. And once it rejected, look what it bounced at, the 21 EMA. So there it is. Pushing back up. Let's see what we do here. 172.9. Let's see if we can break above this now. This is your new level of resistance. It is pushing much higher. The big dogs are in on these trades because look at these moves. This is like institutional buying right here. It's like we're watching institutional buys. Because who else can push a stock up like that? I can't do it with the amount of shares I'm buying. Yeah, it's hard to just put that share order in
Hey,
overnight pre-IPO and just hope you get in at 140, 145. You know, I don't blame you for not buying pre-market or pre-IPO, I should really say. That makes it difficult, so you can't really be angry about something like that or be upset, it's okay. Nice. Appreciate you guys following the channel. If you can, if you want to follow, yeah, this is SpaceX. If you want to follow, if you're gonna follow my TikTok, at least follow my YouTube channel. Oh my God, Jack Blake is he's trading the mortgage. He said he's got 3,500 shares at 152. Did you liquidate the whole portfolio? 500K in the trade? Guys, we're pushing higher right now, so you're buying the higher highs. All the resistance, your next stop is the next resistance. So we just need to hold 173. Just keep pushing higher. EMAs are holding up strong. This is looking good. This is looking good.
gotta hit the road.
What are you trying to do?
I'm about to leave town to go to my last two stops.
Nice. I don't know why my stream health on TikTok went down for some reason, or YouTube went down for some reason. Manning's in the house. Manning, how's the audio on YouTube? SpaceX blasting up. I love this. I think we're going to 200 today. What do you think? We're at 170, almost 174, Daisy. 174. Go to my YouTube if you can't see it. I got the full video on YouTube. I just put it. There's my YouTube channel right there. I sent it in for you. Just type it in. Take the time. Type it in. Watch my YouTube channel. All right, great, Manning. Thank you for the feedback. I appreciate it. 174. Are we gonna reject here? Let's see what happens. Yeah, no, 200. I'm kind of going crazy. I agree with you. I think 200 is crazy, but this has been pretty good. We called out this movement. We saw this bull flag pattern filling out right here. Boom, shakalaka, blasted above 168. Right now, I'm trying to look for a pattern. The other pattern that you could be. I don't know if this is going to happen. So the first one made sense. This could be a different type of bull flag. Let's see. Right now, I look at it as a hammer candle forming right now. It looks like a potential. Let's see if we can get it. But this is what you're looking for. Oh, let me get rid of this. This is tough. This is tough. This is what you're looking for. I think this might potentially be selling off here, but let's give it time. Give it time. You got to give it a second. You want to see, is this going to hold? I don't know if this is going to hold, though. I'm not as confident about this one. I don't like the setup. I don't like the setup. But here we go. Elon Musk, first trillionaire, right? Is that what it is? Who bought pre-IPO shares? I have 150 people on TikTok live streaming. Why jump over to the YouTube? I would just love to have 150 people live streaming on YouTube. That would just be amazing. But let me see if I jump on the YouTube here. If I can, I'm gonna jump on TikTok on my Windows and see if I can pull them over. Oh, look at that sell off. I'm literally typing something in and SpaceX is dying. There we go. Keep selling off, baby. 160 on TikTok. Crazy. Yeah, it's healthy pullbacks, of course, but that bull flag that we were talking about is definitely a little bit tough there. Manning, if you message me, just do it on YouTube, all right? Just because that's the one I'm watching. Yeah, TikTok Live really is dominant. You know, I agree. You're fair. You're fair. There it is right there, though, if you want it. I put it there for you guys. What's the plan with this stock? The plan is to either buy shares lower. You could have bought shares at what was it, 150, Jayon?
Yeah.
Or all right, it wasn't the prettiest flag, but it's still working out. It wasn't the prettiest flag, but we are still doing this. It's not the prettiest. Does not work out the way I want it to. So it's just like it was hard to draw this out because it didn't feel clean. Now it seems like drawing lines on this chart. Oh, there we go. So let's see. We're gonna break above higher. We got to break above 174.25. But the biggest thing, guys, is this got to be this guy's got to be joking. He goes, "Are the fundamentals good in the company?" Jae they make any money to be a $2 trillion company?
Now almost up 1% on NASA.
What is it?
It said we almost up 1% on NASA.
Yeah, you called that out. But these guys want SpaceX, man. They don't want NASA.
We got SpaceX in it.
They got that SpaceX. I know, but only 8%, right?
Yeah. But see, look though, if NASA dies, it's probably gonna go back to 24. If SpaceX dies, you don't know where the hell it's going.
I know, but that's what makes it exciting. We're still pushing higher. This is incredible.
Doji. What I want for lunch?
Yeah. You want SpaceX for lunch? We already discussed this. Gambling at its finest. Elfie was calling out shorting it, and remember this was about 20 minutes ago or something, I think, and it's already like 10 points higher.
He would have got trapped. Don't go against the trend.
Yeah, I know. Everybody's fighting it, trying to short it. Just you got to go with the trend, guys. You got to go with the trend. The biggest entry that if you would have missed, let me just show you guys real quick. Oh, I don't know why I went to the 3 month chart. The biggest entry that we called out, just for a little learning experience for you guys. So right away, Jay Young and I called out this. We called out that we had this pattern forming where it was holding this pattern. It was bouncing. You saw the bounce right here. Here's the first bounce, second bounce right here. We called this third bounce. This third bounce was our entry. We'll show you what happened. It blasted up here. This should have been your first entry jumping in if you already missed the boat right here. Because now you can call your stop loss right at the stop loss at 160, right? So you buy 163, stop loss 160, no problem. But what we saw is we saw this bullish flag forming. It blasted up and started consolidating in this flag. That was the play right there. That was where I entered at 167. That was the entry. And that is what you should do. Now, if you're going to continue buying, I'm trying to see if we can get another flag to form, but I'm kind of struggling here to see. This is kind of like buying and praying now at this point if you're just going to buy higher. Now, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. If you want to buy higher, buy higher. I mean, it's your money. I don't care. But for me, I'm a little hesitant here now. A little hesitant. Because this is where we're at now with this. I want to see if we can get a pullback, maybe to 170, but this is tough. You know how this can go. This is an IPO, so we don't know how this is going to move in
Can
the after hours.
SpaceX break? Can SpaceX break test price? We will see.
You know what's interesting? What is Tesla even doing right now? I just want to take a quick look, guys, at Tesla. We will go right back to SpaceX. Wow. It's trading exactly like SpaceX. Unbelievable. Tesla's 400 too. Incredible. Hold on, let me go back. Incredible. So Tesla's at 400 as well. This is so funny to watch. He must be watching both tickers and just be like laughing right now. What do you predict it's going to go in a day?
Hey, I like how NASA's down, but I'm up.
Jay they're asking
my price, I said.
Jang, if you had to give a number to our 186 live viewers on TikTok right now. What do you think this price is going to end at the end of the day? 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. What are we ending at? What's the close of bell? Give him a number. Give him a number.
210.
I know. I said 200 too. I feel like 200 is definitely doable. At first, I thought I was going crazy. Now I'm like, I don't know. I'm becoming a believer. I'm a believer. Let's see what the poll says. We put a poll out there for SpaceX. Are you buying?
What?
So far, it's 100%. Everybody is buying SpaceX.
Hey, but that power hour could just blow that thing out the water.
That's it. Lookout wants, he said, let's tank it. I don't know. How do we tank it, though, right? I'm going to go on my Fidelity Trader Pro real quick and just see if I can short it. Let me just see here. So I can sell short. Fidelity, oh, hold on. There's an HTB sign. Oh, look at this. Guys, this is interesting. Look at this. Let me show you something. So my margin buying power. If I wanna short this, let me just cover that up. If I want to short this, we could short it.
Bro, don't short, man. It's
but I gotta pay
16 million.
It's only an annual interest of 5% to short this. If I were to short this, 5%. But here we go. This is what we're looking at here. This is level 2 is 176 right now. If I wanted to short it, we pay an annual interest rate of 5%. Doesn't sound terrible, but it says hard to borrow. Hard to borrow, shiz. Fidelity. Come on, you gotta step up your game. I'm sure Robinhood's got it down. Nice. We got somebody has 45 shares, 7K in. Nice. Somebody's got 50 shares at 135. What'd you do, Robinhood? How'd you get those 50 shares at 135? Are you kidding me? Come on. It has to be pre-IPO. Pre-IPO maybe, right? Because look, 150 was the 150 was that base where it opened today. And that was at 1147. So he must have had, if he did get in, which I believe him, pre-IPO, no problem. We'll give him benefit of the doubt. Just like the other guy that said he had 3,500 shares. I hope he does, but please post the image of the game. Post the image of the game. So this is the biggest thing. I feel like when it comes to IPOs, I'm a believer of taking profits. I would not be holding it. I would be taking profits. I'd be sharing it. Hot Bang is up 15 bones. He's going to McDonald's tonight. He's getting the dollar menu. So good for him. He's up 15 bones. Good for you. 176 down to 174. I got to change this because I still have it that I'm going to short shares. I got to reset just buying regular shares. All right, here we go. No, but good for him. You know, you're making some money. There's nothing wrong with taking some profits. It's the first day IPO. It doesn't mean you got to hold it for 75 years. You know, I feel like just take profits. If you get in 20, 30 points, it's not the end of the world, you know. You can sell because I just sold shares. So I don't know what people are talking about. If you can't sell, how is the price going down? They don't want you to sell. Obviously, if you do the pre-IPOs, they don't want you to flip it. But you could always just move. You could always just move your money. Like, let's just say Robinhood said, hey, You know, you borrowed 50 shares or whatever pre-IPO and you sold and took a 200 whatever profit. Who cares? And they're gonna ban it. Who cares? You can just move your money over to Fidelity. You can move it to Charles Schwab. It doesn't matter. You can go anywhere. So I wouldn't be worrying about that. So if
This
you,
is not financial advice.
it's not. Yeah, thank you, Jay Young. Jay Young is the lawyer. Apparently, we're not financial advice, but I'm just saying, don't think that they're gonna you can't sell your shares. You can sell your shares. I mean, if you're like, is Knifey, you still here? Are you or Niffy? Are you still saying that? Oh, Elfi, my bad. ELPHI. You think it's still going down? Because now here it is, 176. We're starting to pull back. You know, I'm not one of those traders that thinks it's going to go down to like $100 or anything, but it's I would love for see this eventually sell off, but I don't know if it will for now. Right now, I think the hype and all that's going to continue to hold it up. But this is interesting. Look. So let me try to make this easier. We're starting to pull back to this support zone at 171 right here. So let's see what it does here, because this is the long-term trend right now. You see? On TikTok, I'm trying to zoom out for you TikTokers, because you won't go to my YouTube for some reason. 218 live viewers on TikTok. They won't go to YouTube. You can see the whole chart right here. Blasting out. Let's see what it does. We are trending here. Boom, right there. Boom, right there. Right there. Another support level. Support level. Let's see. Is this going to add up to be a support level? This is a big level right here. This is very important. Right now, we're getting that bounce. But you need to let that 1 minute candle close. It's only 113. And I would be watching on your 1 minute, your 2 minute, and your 5 minute candles right now. Guys, thank you for hitting the thumbs up button and the heart. I appreciate it. And commenting. It's always good seeing where you guys are interacting. Let's see if we hold 170 here. This is important. We got another guess. Somebody said it's going to close in the 160s. Guys, please sub to the TikTok and the YouTube channel. That's all I ask. Sub to the YouTube channel and the TikTok. I'll include the YouTube link right there for you guys. Okay, we're starting to break this 170 now, potentially here. Let's see. I'm watching the level 2 here. I think we hit a record on TikTok. This is the most live streamers we've ever had, so I appreciate you guys. 170 starting to hold up. Level 2 is looking good. Green candles coming in. Oh, look at that. There it is. You see the close at 114. It just blasted up. Look at that. Bam.
Bounce out the 50 there. Bounce out the 50.
Let's look at the percentage of I'm gonna ask AI here really quick. I'm gonna ask. Let's ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini. What percentage of IPOs? What do they average in a year? Do they sell off or do they go red? Are you guys ready for this? All right, guys, take a look at this. I want you guys to see this real quick. 60 to 65% IPOs are red against their IPO price 1 year after debut. 70% of IPOs underperform the broader stock market like S&P or the Russell. So just keep that in mind. Are we going to be in the 30%? Is SpaceX going to be in the 30%? Or are they going to be like everybody else and just fail?
Nah, I think it'll stay up because of Starlink.
Yeah.
Because of Starlink, and then all these other companies probably gonna be using SpaceX rockets.
Oh, they're talking about Starlink. Everybody loves Starlink. It's the next AT&T, right? So what I'm seeing here now, I feel like we're going to go lower here. This is my guess. It's a little high, this bear flag. It's a little high. I would like to see it really fold like this, but let's see. Right now, I feel like this could be the back end of the move. This could be the back side of the move. Let's see. This is what I'm seeing right here. We're playing a very slippery slope right now. We have to get above this. Come on. I want to see it go to 200. Come on. Start blowing on the screen. It might make the stock go up. It's a new technique we teach in the WAP.
Back above the moving averages. Let's see where we close. We've got 12 seconds.
Let's see what we do in this candle. See, that's what I'm worried about. Is you see that thin? You see that little thin candle? That little thin candle at 174. Let's see. Yeah, that's the golden question. Buying one share, how much is it going to be worth 10 years from now? I don't know. Who knows? I feel like, how do you not own SpaceX in your portfolio? It doesn't have to be a big percentage, but how do you not have it in there just to be part of the game, you know?
Because you ain't got no money.
Yeah, I guess that's the other way around if you don't have any money yet. Mike's got 4 shares. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's see if we're going to sell off here, though. I like scalping the initial. Same, right? I agree. Scalping the initial is the way to go, in my opinion. We hit some kind of award on TikTok. It's like cheering for me. I don't know what that means. Oh. Thank you, Rose, for giving me a coin. Appreciate you. Thank you, Rose. She gave me a coin on TikTok. Appreciate you. You know what really makes me happy? Join the YouTube channel. That's what I want. Join the YouTube channel and watch the live stream on YouTube. I will send you the live stream on TikTok. Let's go. There it is right there, just so you have it. So guys, this looks like we potentially here. So do you guys see what I see? Let me draw it out so you guys can see it. I think we're going to reject here. This is my thesis. I think we're going to reject here. 174 is your resistance right here. Rejection right there at 174. And if we reject here, let's see if I'm wrong. We're going to find out immediately on this trade. We're going to find out immediately here. Are we going to reject here? I could be wrong. I could be right. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to be a rejection zone here. Come on. I love that people are making money on SpaceX. That's awesome. Love seeing that, guys. Good for you guys. And that's why a lot of people will say it's good to just scalp it's good to scalp it and go from there. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Love the kind words on YouTube. Someone wrote, love this channel, Jaeyoung. They love this channel. I appreciate that. I appreciate you too. Let's see here. Scalping. All right. Let's see. I'm just reading their TikTok. There's so many comments on TikTok. I'm just watching and see how it goes. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Look at that rejection, Jaeyoung. We just called it. What's 174? Knifey's getting excited. Alpha is getting excited right now. Alpha, you excited?
It's gonna bounce off the 50.
He already know. I like this guy. Come on, but you know we called that. Come on. Now we need this to break 170. I would not go long yet. I would be waiting. We were calling that rejection at 174. Let's see if it comes to fruition now. If you're scalping this, it's different. If you're buying for 10 years, it doesn't matter. Let's see here.
This is the cheapest you're gonna get it.
What'd you say, Jay Young? Your audio cut out.
I said at this price and lower, it's the cheapest you're gonna get it.
Yeah. Yeah, Jess, I mean, if you're holding long term 170, nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's up to you. I don't know where it's going to go. It's already valued at over 1 trillion, right?
Yeah.
So, guys, thank you for hitting the thumbs up button, the heart. Appreciate it. Look at it, starting to build some YouTube followers. There we go. We got 14 live viewers. Appreciate you guys. YouTube is not currently receiving data. Oh, my OBS got disconnected. Oh, now it's good back on. Here we go. Okay, that was weird. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Yo, Jay Young.
Yeah.
Somebody's asking on the YouTube channel, what are the best indicators? I just sent the WAP link. You want to learn how to trade and all that, we'll just put the WAP link in there. Yes, Alpha. We're trying to go to the moon.
The best indicator, the Fibonacci.
What is it?
The field.
As we're almost up to 300 live viewers. We're at 265, Jay Young. I'm only holding 20 shares. I was scalping it on that bull pattern that we were talking about earlier. I stopped out when it started pulling back. Now I'm just holding 20 shares right now. I'm going to always hold shares, SpaceX, but I just want to see if I can get a little bit lower price. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up button. Appreciate you. I like seeing the little hearts come up. That's cool. They tapping away. They tapping away. This is the most live streamers we've ever had. Hopefully that transitions into YouTube subscribers and WAP members. We're at 250 now. Love it. So we're consolidating here, which is interesting. So we'll have to just be patient and see what it's going to do here. But we're consolidating from 170 up to 174. This is the zone, boys. These are the levels. Ladies and gents, these are the levels. It does feel like it's losing steam. I mean, it's 126, but you have to remember the IPO happened at what time? IPO'd at 11:48. So, thank you guys. Thank you for the coins. I think when I hear that noise, it's like a coin going off or something. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I have no idea. Oh, you know what it is? I didn't pin the goal, I guess. That's probably why. I don't know. All right, somebody said they got... Oh, there you go. Some red coming in finally. He bought into history 100 shares because why not? In 10 years, who knows? Yeah, so Jay Young, we were talking about this in the WAP, but they're talking about, I don't know if you're reading the TikTok. They were talking about Elon Musk merging Tesla and SpaceX into like one company called X, right? Is that what they were trying to go for? That has to be the play.
No, it will still be called SpaceX.
But Tesla would just be part of it?
Yep. Tesla would be the robotics. And then SpaceX would be the umbrella.
Billy, we can't say it's going down. It's consolidating from 170 to 174. So we just got to be patient and see where it's going to go. Let the direction tell us. Oh, you're saying this is delayed. Oh, interesting. Thank you, Craig.
They halted it.
No, no, no. Craig's let me know that my YouTube is delayed. Is it delayed by what? Like 30 seconds? So I was looking at the poll, just so you guys see, SpaceX, 83% are buying, 17% say no. Oh wow, it says 4 minutes. 4 minutes YouTube is delayed. Wow. I see. Yeah, interesting. My stream health for some reason went down. I don't know why. Weird. You know, Jayang, it's like we spoke about with the internet provider. I'm like, maybe I need to up the internet provider or something because maybe the
Yeah,
stream
you got too much. You got too much stuff going on at one time.
maybe the stream can't handle it. I'm actually still waiting for because I messed up my TikTok account and I turned it into like some business account, which was so dumb. So I had a 30-day window that I had to wait for it to like take it off of business again because my videos that I post on TikTok are not getting recommended. So I have to wait. So I think I'm trying to see right now. I'm logging on to see. Yes, I have 10 remaining days to close the business account for Trading Simplified on TikTok. And then they're saying it should go back to like the regular. So when I post a video, I could see like 500 to 1,000 viewers again. So we're waiting and seeing. But at the end of the day, I have to close this TikTok seller center shop, and it still says I have 10 days. So we're still waiting for that. SpaceX up 27.5% on the day. Big money coming in, boys. See, that's how you should trade it. But if SpaceX dies, everybody's going to complain and cry about Elon. But it's like you could have made money because this went up all the way up. You could have bought almost anywhere on this stock, and it's continuing to go up right now. But right now, this is where I start to get worried. You can see that the pattern is broken a little bit here. It's consolidating right now. So is this the consolidation for the move higher from 170 to 174? That's really the question. We had these nice bounces.
To me,
What'd you say?
it is. They can't. Because I'm looking at the volume. They can't load all these orders at one time.
So we'll see. Is this, was bouncing here, and now we are consolidating in this zone. So we'll have to see what it wants to do. Let's see. It's a waiting game.
It's going higher like those stairs you was walking. Remember those stairs you was walking in Paris?
Yeah.
That's where it's going.
Me and the wife were sick. We were walking up those stairs. We had to walk up like, it was 500. I think I say that video. It was like 500 steps up. What platform are you tracking this on? Guys, this is Webull, but my actual day trading where I actually trade to make money is on Fidelity Active Trader Pro. So we trade with this, which is Fidelity Active Trader Pro. This is that right here.
I'm on TradingView and Fidelity.
So this is Fidelity Active Trader Pro. This is what we trade on. And now, oh, look at this. Every time I stop looking at the chart, it starts selling off. Oh! Elon selling. Let's see. 169. 168 now.
Gotta go back and get those stragglers.
Yeah, you gotta pick up its homies.
Yeah, watch 160. You got orders down there at 160.
Okay. Beautiful. Yeah, starting to pull back here. Now there's one. There's another. All right, Knifey, you watching this? Oh, I'm sorry, Alphi. Alphi. I say his name wrong every time. Alphi. Take a look at this now. This is the next trade idea. All right, we rejected 170. We just broke through, guys. This is the break and retest. Let's see if we get it. We broke through here, right? We're consolidating. Let's see now if we get a push into 170. Let's see if we get that thin green candle, and let's see if we reject lower, or are we just gonna just start dropping down? But if you're gonna short this, this is Alphi's moment to shine. Alphi's moment to shine now. He wants this to sell off. So if we can get this consolidation here at 170, and then the candle closes right there, we'll see if we reject. Let's see what it does. Let's zoom in on it. You have your points where you were consolidating, right? At 170 consolidation, support consolidation just broke. Let's see if this support at 170 that just broke, let's see if we retest and then move lower now. This will be interesting. Would love to see that. Guys, appreciate hitting the thumbs up and the like button. Thank you, Craig, for all of the YouTube that we are stream health is strong now. I'm not sure why the stream health went down for a second, but we are back up. And it sounds like it is back on for you guys, which is good. That makes me happy. So let's see what we got here. Oh, here we go. This is it. He's calling out 163 in 10 minutes, but we'll see. This is what we're talking about. Oh, let's see if it, so now this is what we want. We want to see this 170. We need to see this candle close, but we want to see it to be mostly green wick, which is a very thin wick, not a bullish candle right there. Let's see that. It's pretty strong coming in though. It's gotta close. This wick has gotta close below 170. How much time we got on this? Let me go on Fidelity. See, I use Fidelity Trader Pro. We have a timer on it, so you can see the time of the seconds until the next minute, and then we will see. Oh, there you go. Boom. So right here, 171. Are we gonna get a fake out here? We got to get back below this. We got to get back below 170. Jan, you watching this?
Yeah.
So let's see what it does here. All right, here we go. 170. All right, there we go. Now, uh-oh. So this might, let's see. It's actually doing the opposite of what we're talking about. Let's see how this candle closes here. It's bouncing right at this 170. The buyers are trying to continue pushing this up. They want to see this momentum go. If you hold that 170, you're back in this trading range of 170, 174, but we will have to wait and see what's going to happen here.
Yeah, that already it bounced off the 38% of the field, so
yeah, I feel like I should be doing. What is it?
I said it bounced off the 38% of the field, so the buyers are trying to take it back over.
Wow, so TikTok is actually faster than my YouTube. That's why. That's why people go to TikTok. Because my TikTok said it's a 5-second delay. I'm seeing 18-second delay on YouTube. That's what they're telling me. I'm going to take the people's word. Yes, yeah. So Grant, they're talking about what you posted. They're talking about what you posted on the WAP. You already posted all this in the WAP with the lockout period.
Who, me?
Yeah. They're talking about the WAP. They're talking about the. Okay, so this is interesting. All right, maybe we're gonna hold. Maybe we're gonna hold here. Cause look, right there, you're forming it. This could be the move higher. Ify wants it to go to 160. Let's see.
Nah, it's not going to 160.
Right now, we're staying in the zone. Elon said, no. We're staying in the zone, baby. Let's see. A lot of indecision going on. I really think we're going to see the move in the after hours. I think that's what's going to happen, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Elfi, he's calling Fidelity right now. He's going short it all. Short it all. He's calling 160. What are you calling? 160 in 8 minutes? Who is this guy? What's that crystal ball say? He might have got played. Yeah, I'm starting to wonder that too for Alphi. Is he getting played right now? We're in it to win it. 170 trying to hold this level. Oh, 300 live viewers. Thank you, guys. Please take the time to hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys. SpaceX about to break 170. Are we going to start heading lower? If you look at the overall chart, this is where we're at right now. That's awesome. 300 live viewers. That's sick. Derek, he wants you to tell him when to sell. Jae Young, he's got 11 shares. He wants to know, should he sell?
No.
Jae Young says no.
Keep at least. You should have more if it has. They try to release 25.
You are starting to, you see this forming now. You see that? You're rejecting these points here. We might go lower here. Let's see. This wedge is getting tight. The wedge is getting tight. Nice. We got 15 viewers on YouTube. That's pretty cool. Appreciate you guys. Let's see here. So we'll see if we can break above this. Still waiting above the 170 mark. Look at the graph as a whole. The graph is only for 2 hours. There's not much of a graph, 2 hours.
Yeah, what is he looking at?
Yeah. What graph you got going on for us? Let us know. Guys, if you have a position, please post it. Let us know where you're at. We want to know if you're in the green. The real money will be made in 6 months to a year. Does that mean up or down, though, boys and ladies?
We're about to go higher.
Why do you think that?
You gonna see.
There it is. Look at that move. We just broke the EMAs. We're about to push higher. We're above the EMAs now. Time to go back to 174. Alpha, you got 3 minutes for it to go back down to what was it, 165 you wanted? 168 or something like that? You got 3 minutes.
Yeah,
not looking good.
There's a change of character right there. It changed the trend. That's gonna break it.
We're moving up higher.
So
I love it, guys. I'll put my WAP checkout link. Discount in the WAP code there. We'll give a discount for the WAP and the TikTok members that are joining. Somebody's right in the TikTok saying it's a space company. Yes, it is a space company. Let's see here. So, Jae Young, they're asking you, how did you know? But, Jae Young, we can't give away all the strategies of how you thought it was going to go up. They got to join the WAP if they want to know how it's going up.
How did I know what? That it was going to turn around?
Yeah, you got to jump in the water to small fish.
Market structure.
Market structure, Jae Young says. 280 live. Hit the heart button, guys. Share it. Share it with your mama. Someone says to buy low, sell high. I thought the strategy was to buy high, sell low. We're about to go to retest this 174 here. So let's see what happens here. $22 shares at 164. He said he's going to hold forever.
Yeah, just hold them.
I think it's right, you know? Why not? See where it goes.
Hold them, and on red days, just put some money in it.
It's crazy. Let's see what he said. All right, we're still consolidating though, so it's kind of hard to. We just gotta wait for it to make a decision. There's nothing you can do until that, you know.
You need to buy some more SCHG.
SCHG? No, you have to buy FSPGX.
No, bro. I'm at 39%.
What are you at?
I said 39% portfolio allocation.
Nice. What, BMNR?
No. BMNR is at 31.
Yeah. So guys, we're retesting 174 here. This is a big level here. So let's see if we get above this. If we break above this, we can start approaching all-time highs again at 176. But we got to get above 174. I don't think anybody's selling today. This is going to continue going. This looks like we're going to continue popping here. Yeah, Roblox sold off. I was looking at Roblox, that sold off big time.
loading up again.
What is it?
Say it's loading up again to move.
Yeah. It's about to break
Watching
highs
the
again.
volume.
There it is.
Watching the volume.
Volume's increasing. Level 2 looks solid. Not much resistance here. Let's see what happens. We go into the moon.
Yeah, it held 8% of the field.
Yeah.
So back up we go.
People keep asking, when are you going to sell? You got to ask your buddies. Ask the homies on TikTok. There's 295 watching. Ask them.
Honestly, I will hold it until September, October.
September, October.
Yeah. The price is locked in.
There's also, Jay Young, they're bringing up a good point. There's on the 15th, there's a Starlink mission. You see that?
Yeah, I know what it is.
There's a Starlink mission though, so it makes you wonder.
Good.
Is that a catalyst? You know?
No, bro, they've been landing them rockets.
No, I mean, hey, all it takes is 310 live viewers, guys. Thank you. Hit the thumbs up button, please. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your mama, whatever it takes. Let's see here. We also got everybody's on lunch right now. They're watching Trading Simplified. That's what they're doing. They're off to trading. All right, so we're still rejecting this 174 though. I mean, this 174 is showing rejection. Definitely a catalyst to watch for sure with the Starlink. I think they only opened to 20% retail combined today, right?
Yeah, it was only 20% for retail, which includes Robinhood, Webull.
Yeah, it looks like
I think it was like 70 million shares or something like that.
Okay.
To retail, I think.
I see.
Yeah, Morgan Stanley did a good job by not letting it be so volatile.
Why though? Let it. Let's see. Let's see what Elon does. He's got two big stocks now. Tesla and SpaceX.
If it retests 168, that's a double bottom. You know what that means.
We identify the resistance at 174. Who is this? Who said that? TVTG. We identified it here. It's obvious. We've been rejecting this 174. Rejections have been happening. So that's really where we're at right now. 174 is your rejection point. We're just consolidating from 170. 170 to 174 is the zone currently. Just waiting for the breakout. Either way, up or down, you know? Just waiting for up or down breakout. Guys, thank you for hitting the thumbs up button and the heart button. I appreciate you guys. I like classic hippie. Says, to the moon is the only answer. Love it. I'm just reading the TikTok comments. They're so funny. Let's see here. Someone wrote Elon's other project, big hype, big letdown. Then we have someone said they got their 100K IPO allotment. Ooh, big money. Mama clicking in after she gets her hair done. Love it. This is in TradingView. I'm just using Webull to show this. This is Webull. I'm trying to respond to your message, but there's so many messages, guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. I don't know who's selling. I feel like when you say they're selling, it's just consolidating from 170 to 174. It's not a big deal. Just let it cook. Let it cook. Now, Jay Young, have you seen options on this yet, or it's too early? I feel like you need a couple of days, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be Wednesday.
Oh, is that now? Did they say that officially? Like options will be available full stream because people got to, they got to obviously sell the premiums, etc.
Yeah, it'll be Tuesday or Wednesday next week.
Okay, that's where it's gonna get interesting. The options on it. When are the big fish going to sell? It's whenever Jay Young sells. What's going to happen? Elon Musk. No, I actually put in for IPO shares on Robinhood at 135, and I didn't get filled.
Yeah, y'all want me to tell y'all how to get a secret field on IPOs?
What's the
Join the WAP.
Yeah. You get special access on the WAP. Special access on the WAP. Let's see here. Yeah,
I'll tell you how to get filled. I'll tell you how to get filled on IPOs every time you join the WAP.
Yeah, Fidelity's pretty bad with it too, I feel like. At the end of the day, just trying to get the IPO shares, they're pretty bad at it.
No, it's all math, man. You can't. Never mind. Join the WAP.
Let's go.
You'll make your money back by next week.
Jay Young was texting me about SpaceX IPO. That's when I woke up. Yo, Jay Young, I was telling you. I was napping and I got your message about the SpaceX IPO. Because after that trip, that was a big 10-hour flying yesterday. That knocked me out. But now we're back in the game. Took a nice nap. Feel good.
Ooh.
174. Here we go. Elon pumping it. Let's see if he can pump it even higher.
If this break out, they might go to 181.
Yeah.
Ooh, you see that EMA cross? Need to break out of this double top, though.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Somebody trade. Oh, Coinbase. What's happening to Coinbase stock? Yeah, nothing. It's fine. SpaceX is the focus, guys. SpaceX. What's really surprising is Tesla. Tesla is blasting up 387 to 402 at a major resistance level here. We'll see what it does, but interesting. SpaceX, if SpaceX can get past 174, something tells me Tesla's going to hold 400. We're trading at 173 right now. Tesla's at 402. I personally don't know. They're asking, is it going to merge? Everybody wants to know. We're going to merge. That's what all the rumors are about. But if Elon doesn't say it, then I don't believe it. You know?
Only thing about that with the merge is the board has to say so because he don't own as much stake in Tesla as he does SpaceX. He's the final say so on SpaceX.
Now, is that why he wants the merge or doesn't want the merge?
No,
what's the benefit? What's the benefit?
All your engineers and everybody are going back and forth.
Like, I wonder what the benefit is. You know what I mean?
Consolidating.
Yeah, it's interesting. I know, that thing was huge.
Oh my god.
Wow. So did you catch it in a trap?
I don't know. I saw it on Facebook.
That's
Where
funny.
did you find it?
I don't know. I gotta ask him. It's crazy. Take a look at this stuff. So right now on TikTok, there's 230 live subscribers. And then on YouTube over here, we have 12 right here.
Nice.
And then these guys are all commenting, and then you have all these comments. I'm seeing that some of these guys don't like Elon. They're saying Elon's ego to merge the companies. It's got to be a business decision. I don't know if it's going to be ego related. It's probably about the business, right? It's got to be some kind of power. Like Jay Young, I mean, if he merges both of those, it's got to add some value, right? Can he make more decisions? Is that what it is?
Yeah, because that would give him. He would be the final decision maker over everything.
Yeah, I mean that. Yeah, I guess that maybe that does fit with the ego, you know.
Well, it's not. It ain't got nothing to do with ego. He has those metrics he has to hit. If he don't hit those metrics, then he's not going to get his pay package.
Whatever. How long you doing?
I'm just going to 10 minutes. I'll stop it.
No, I'll look at it. I'm going to tell them they got to wait 2 minutes. They're going to hear it in the background. This is crap.
Stop it.
Nah, let it go. 10 minutes. My wife decides to turn the dryer on. Fantastic. Sorry, guys. For 10 minutes, you're going to have to deal with this noise in the background. I apologize, guys. Anyway, so he says it's more of a support vehicle for the other companies. Take the Terafab out on its own. It's easy to buy pre-IPO shares. Just find the registered agent. Release the IPO, but through them. Yeah, we got to see. Right now, we're still consolidating the zone, so we got to wait until we get above. Hey, babe, look at this. Somebody writes, "Let the dryer boost the stocks." I was letting them know the wife started the dryer. Somebody comments, "Let the dryer boost the stocks." Dry in those overalls. The absolute legend. That's funny. Guys, we got 9 minutes with the dryer. 9 minutes, and then we'll be back to peace. I actually changed the lint trap this morning. We came back from our international trip. Was beautiful. Got to see Paris. A little bit of that Barcelona life. It was a great time. Took the train through Europe. It was beautiful. Now we're adjusting back to the sleep schedule here.
Just forming a bull.
Let's see. So the broker wants to know what our prediction is for the stock. What's the prediction for oh, what just happened there? Prediction for SpaceX? Everyone, just give me a price target. What's your price target? I'm going to say 200. 200 for that price action. I think 200 is fair. I like this guy, Ian, the stockbroker guy. He's got a nice little pink suit in his picture too. Is it going to hit 200 today? I don't think so. I think if we hit 200, it's going to be in the after hours. $85 next week? L7? 85. Yeah, I think your big moves are going to be in the after hours.
Bullish panic.
What do you mean, Jae-Young? Guys,
Forming a bullish panic.
I know. I apologize about the dryer, guys. We got 6 minutes. 6 minutes on the dryer. The wife left her
We
clothes
don't
in there.
give a by no dryer, man.
These guys crying about the dryer in the background. I apologize. He's sticking with 360 to 380 by the end of year. That's crazy. That means it's going to be worth what? 3 trillion? Trading simplified. Learn to dry your clothes.
You don't have to. That's why you got a wife.
Yeah, literally.
Liquidity grab.
So yeah, we're still just sitting in this. We gotta wait for a movement, you know. We just gotta wait.
It's loading up.
185. I think 185 sounds more realistic. Definitely more realistic for 185. Oh my god, I totally
Oh snap, I gotta get gas.
What do you mean? You ain't driving no Tesla, Jayon?
Hell no. I would never.
Really?
Forward, baby. Ooh, look at that sell off.
Oh, there we go, guys. We're starting to sell off here.
Nope, it just grabbed them.
No, we're at 170.
Waters.
We're at 170. Yeah, the chat is roasting Chae-Young now. The dryer has really changed the mood of this chat. They said, how much gas? Where are you at? The strategy right now is to blow on the screen and hold that support level of 170. That's the strategy right now. Blow on the screen at 170. Hopefully we can hold it up. Here we go, guys. We're about to break 170 here.
You said they roasted me for what?
They're roasting you. They roasted me for the dryer. And they're roasting you for the gas. Because you're paying $5 for gas right now.
I don't pay no $5 for gas.
How much your gas over there? Chad, how much do you think Jay Young paying for gas? Guys, 170 strict stop loss, guys. Somebody said 333. They think you're paying 333, Jay Young. Gas is $4 over here. What about you, Jay Young?
379.
379. That's not bad. What, you going to Costco? You're a Costco guy. I definitely know it. They asking if you paying premium. Premium 379. No, premium's like $5 over here.
No, premium not in this part, no.
Yeah, no premium. Guys,
premium in the Malibu.
They're asking.
Premium in our Malibu, yeah.
They're asking how much did we buy in. The thing is, you could only buy, unless you did pre-IPO. You could have bought right at the open at 11.47. That was it right there, 11.47. But right now, guys, this is where we're trading. We got to wait for this breakout. Got to wait for this breakout. Guys, start the timer. We got 2 minutes till the dryer stops. 2 minutes. Start the countdown. 2 minutes. LA 675. They just wrote on YouTube. 675 in LA. My God, I cannot imagine. The dryer in the background is holding up 170 right now. Manning, you need an EV, man. 675, and that's wild. Washington State 520 for gas. New York 465. Is that premium? 620 for NorCal. Oh man, guys, this is why Tesla's going up, right? Is that people are actually buying probably. They're probably buying. Manning's smart. He's taking his bicycle. That's a very smart man. So 324 is the lowest gas that I'm hearing so far. It's Texas right now. Premium in New York is $6. San Diego $7 for premium. My God. Like, how do you not? Oh, here we go, guys. We're about to break 170. 60 seconds till the dryer stops. 60 seconds. I think this is why support is breaking. We got 60 seconds. Oh, you hear that? Look at that. The dryer just stopped. And look at that. The dryer stopped, and now we're breaking 170 right here. Support has been held, but now that the dryer's done, it might not hold anymore. That was actually like perfect timing that the dryer stopped and then 170 broke. I appreciate you guys' patience. Thank you. Man, I lost about 50 live viewers. Thank you. We went from like 290 to 195. I lost 100 people. Florida 390. I love it. Yeah, Florida's the way to go. I know. It's a strategy. It's a strategy we use on the WAP. Is we start the dryer. That lets us know when the support's going to break. Yeah, I want to make the dryer the indicator. If I could do that, make a dryer indicator and make that the trading simplified mark. There's the WAP. I included the WAP discount for you guys. All right, let's go. Come on. Let's do something. We need some action here. We need some action. 305 in Indiana. 305 is the lowest so far. I like that. Why are you guys selling? I don't know why you guys are selling. You gotta wait. Let's see where this goes. This is what we're trading right now. You're trading in this zone. See this? This is the zone. 170 to 174. Let's see where we go. It's looking pretty weak right now, so we got no more support now at 170. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if the buyers are coming in. I'm looking at the level twos, starting to push a little lower here. Oh, look, see now our live views are going back up because the dryer stopped. We're at 220 now. Guys, start blowing on the screen if you want it to go up because we're about to go lower here. We're about to retest 167.50 potentially here. Yeah, if you got 135, that's pretty sick. It's just like, it'd be nice if they would have let you get like 1,000 shares at 135. Jesus. No, you can definitely sell it. That's all you can sell. I literally just sold shares, so you can sell. I mean, there's really no penalty. They just don't want you to sell it. Yeah, I mean, I have shares right now, but I'm gonna continue to wait. I want to buy this long term. I'm just gonna put this in one of the retirement accounts and forget about it because I don't want to be. I'll still day trade and scalp this, but I don't want to. I don't want to be looking at it in the other accounts. If I put it in an account that I don't normally trade in, it'll just sit in there and we'll just see what happens for good or for better.
Here's the pivot.
There it is. Did you see that move right to 165? Let's 167.5. Let's see what we do here. Now we are trading. Let's see if this turns into. Shouldn't have got rid of that. See what happens here now. He goes, okay, so we buy now. Yeah, I might have to buy a new dryer now. 168.9. I can't wait till options opens up on this. Well, I mean, we had this trending here and then we broke. So we were trending, we broke here. Now we're consolidating. And we're really just trying to find the day's range is really what we're trying to do here. Because the day's range is what's going to help us. This, I would assume that this is probably the range. This is it. This is the rest of the day right here. 167, 166, all the way up to 174. Let's get this elite guy out of here. He's spamming my thing. We just muted him. Boom. I'll put my WAP in there. Obviously, I'm going to have to promote that. Boom, there it is. There's the WAP right there. Love it, baby. So it's saying on Twitter that Elon just created 400 new millionaires, or 4,400 millionaires a single day with SpaceX. All of his employees that had SpaceX shares. We should have been SpaceX employees. Yeah, we definitely need some options on this. I'm gonna keep some shares, but I'm not going heavy or anything like that. I'm gonna SpaceX for me is gonna be options plays. Yeah, that's incredible. 37,000 shares. Imagine that. Someone just sold shares, Jay Young, at 173. Is that why it's crashing down? You sold your shares?
No.
Yeah, because like I think in the WAP we're just gonna Jang, we're gonna have to look to just do options on this. I feel like I'll do shares if we get really pullbacks, but I think options, long call options, or weekly 2-week expirations. I'd be looking for that. We just need catalysts. What we need. It's your money, Jess. You do what you want to do. You want to buy, you buy. I like that. Edwin making $40 profit. He's buying dinner tonight. Edwin, dinner's on Edwin tonight with the 40 bones. Yes, June 16th. Yes. June 16th options SpaceX. Jaeyoung, he says there's 0 chance this stock doesn't blow. Where did our boy go? The let me see if he's here. Eiffel, he was rooting for the short. I'm trying to see if he's still in this chat. I don't even know if he's here or not. Eiffel, you here? You're calling for 160. Comment in the chat if you're here. Thanks for hitting the thumbs up button. I appreciate it. Yeah, I just was posting the TikTok, Twitter, the TikTok and the YouTube channel to X because we're up to 250 live viewers. Appreciate you guys. If you're doing long term, it's long term. You can wait. Guys, we've been through it all together. We started SpaceX IPO together. We made it through the 10-minute dryer session. People are making money on SpaceX. I think it's a good day. It's a good Friday. Yeah, I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thank you so much. We even got 16 concurrent viewers on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys supporting the YouTube channel as well. Those of you that are nice enough to jump over to TikTok and YouTube to support Trading Simplified, you guys, we appreciate it. That's funny. He goes, turn the dryer. We need the dryer back on. I should have started the live stream at 5 a.m. because that's when I was really this full blown dryer action. We bouncing right here though. Use some profit for the dryer. Yeah, this range though, it is ranging big time. It's really hard to find where the bottom's going to be on this, but this is an IPO. You gotta. The levels are tough to really tell. We gotta just be patient. But let's see. We're trading below the EMAs. I just want to see what it does on a 5-minute EMA real quick. Yeah, we're well below the EMAs now, 170 on the 5 minutes. So we'll have to see what it's going to do here. This is where we're at. The dryer's niche. I agree, brother. Let's see here. I like that. 100 shares at a time. I like that. That's easy way to control it. You're doing, what, 16? Is it 16K? Let me take a look. 169. I like 100 shares at a time. You're doing 17,000 at a time. Solid way. You could easily scalp that and make pretty good money doing that.
Reclaiming the EMAs.
Let's see what we got over here. Appreciate you sending the finger heart on TikTok. Appreciate that.
Finger heart.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. I don't know how TikTok really works. I only get paid through YouTube and the WAP, but the TikTok brings in the most members to the WAP and to the YouTube. But apparently I earned a finger heart. I don't know. Oh, okay. No, finger heart. Yeah, finger heart. I'm not sure what that means, but I appreciate the finger heart. It helps the algorithm. Thank you. Yeah, we like that. He says, can you give a high-level explanation of what we are looking for in the overall goal? So, Christian, the overall goal is to make money, right? Jaeyoung, would you agree? The overall goal in trading SpaceX IPOs, whenever you're trading an IPO, your goal is to make money, right? It's not to buy high and sell low. It's to buy low and sell high. So the first goal that we figured out, I'll break it down for you guys. So what we were doing is, we broke this down earlier, but maybe you just joined. So what we were doing is we were waiting. It was opening up over here. This is where we were at. We found the support around here, around 157. It started creating this channel here, and it created this right here. This is what we were looking at right here. So we saw that happening. Then we decided to buy this bull flag coming in. We bought here. 168 down here. This is the wedge that we were talking. All the OGs, if you were here, comment. You were here before. We were commenting on this. If you want to learn how to trade, you just got to join the WAP. We have the beginner's course, the whole thing there. You can join there if you want. Then we were looking here, and it's right on my WAP and TikTok bio. So we were buying here. Now, what's happened is we had to move up to 175, which is beautiful. But we are now consolidating from 165. I thought it was 170, but we broke that level clearly. We're consolidating from 166 down to 173. Now that that's happening, I'm honestly just sitting waiting. I feel like it's the backside of the move. We are trending. If you see on YouTube, it's easy to follow this. But I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Wesley. Appreciate you. So 165 up to 174. We have just been consolidating in this zone right now. So for me, it's not a buying opportunity because I can't tell which way the stock is going to go. You could ask the chat, you can ask the TikTok, the YouTube members. Nobody knows where this is going to go. That's the problem right now. So you kind of just have to be patient. Unless you already have a position, it's different. But for now, I'm going to be sitting tight, waiting to see where we go. Are we going to break below 165? Are we going to move above 174? The whole key is to see where this is trading so we can see that if it is going for tomorrow, on Monday when the market opens again, you're going to have more levels. You're going to be able to see that maybe 166 is a nice support level. Maybe 174 stays resistance. This is what we have to wait. It's like a puzzle every single day that you trade these markets, and you need to pay attention to where the stock market levels are. So I hope that helps, Chris. I think Christian, it was, who asked that. But this is an IPO. The stock can go anywhere. So you gotta be cautious. You gotta be patient with the levels here. Because it moves a lot more than a normal day of other stocks, especially an IPO with all this.
He said all of that.
What is that?
I said, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Jaeyoung. Everybody can hear you. I have your volume's up. Everybody can hear you. Jaeyoung, say it with your chest.
This is the lowest this stock is going to be in a company that's going to change the world and where we're going.
Oof.
Buy it now. Because if you don't buy it now, it's going to price you out and you're going to be paying higher. So even if you got 3, 4, 5 shares, buy the shares, average down on red days, and just accumulate more shares over time. Everybody's going to be using SpaceX, especially their rockets, to land back down to Earth for whatever they're doing. And then Elon's a mad scientist, so you ain't stopping him now, especially him being a trillionaire.
That's it. That's Jay Young's prediction. Now they're saying that's a bold outlook. And I don't know if he means a bold outlook or is it a bold outlook. That's definitely a bold outlook. But I can't agree or disagree with you. I feel like it's how could you not own some shares of SpaceX? You know.
It's just like think about it like this. Look at SpaceX as buying Nvidia at $80. He really has no competition because Blue Origin just blew up their whole stuff, so they're behind. I think they said what 19 to 24 months.
Yeah.
And then if Rocket Lab or any of these other companies want to try to compete, he could just buy them.
The thing is, can he continue to make the decisions with the board, or does he have to merge with Tesla to have full control?
No, he has 84% voting rights on SpaceX. They can't tell him what to do.
So there's really no reason for him to merge it then, is what you're telling me. Unless he needs more money? Is that what it is? More CapEx?
And also remember Tesla is backing by the government. So remember that.
Yeah, I'm definitely concerned over the lockup period. I agree with you. I think that is something that is worth mentioning. I agree with that statement right there.
Yeah, but the lockup period, all you're doing is averaging down. You get your shares for cheaper.
No, but people don't want to hold the bag that long. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to show you guys in the WAP real quick. This is the WAP.
Yeah, show them the thing.
So this is the WAP. All right. But what he's talking about here is the lockup period. We posted this in the WAP. So this is the WAP. The announcements, weekly levels, trade levels, educational ideas, portfolio view, all that. This is Jay Young we keep mentioning here. Looks like a Spartan over there. But what he's talking about...
I wasn't saying he was buying Rocket Lab. I'm saying if anybody wanted to compete with him, he could just buy them out.
But take a look at this, though. Elon Musk, 42% ownership. Period lockup, 366 days. Nobody else has that much control. The only 10% we see is Fidelity. Fidelity has 10%. But they have a staggered liquidity ladder. Even these Valet equity partners, same thing, 366 days. This is their lockup period. I appreciate you posting this in the WAP. This is so much easier.
And then the Andrews dude, the Antonio guy,
well,
that's his best friend.
No, but think about it, though. The reason I think that Schmack is saying 180 they're going to dump is because 10% post-IPO, if the stock trades 30% above the IPO, 5 out of the 10 trading days, they can start dumping. So it's going to be interesting. There'll be a lot of resistance if we can get above, I guess, 190. Because it's got to be 40 points higher, right? 135 plus 40 is 35%. Yeah, so 175 to 180, which would make sense with what Schmack's talking about. And that would be the time that you could start dumping it. So definitely interesting with the lockup period of how that could go. So interesting.
And I would buy it until I got about 100 shares and then just let it sit.
What is it?
I said I would keep buying until I got 100 shares and let it sit.
Yeah, that's fair. All right, let me get out of this. Just want to go back to, we got this weekly stock levels. We got this up here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There you go. Let's go back to the chart. I mean, there's risk with every stock. There's risk with every stock, right? What are you going to do? Yeah, I don't think he's gonna. I'm looking at your comments. Oh, Jay Young, I see what you're saying with the Rocket Lab. I don't think he's buying Rocket Lab.
No, I was saying as an example. I didn't. I wouldn't. They took it the wrong way. I didn't say he was buying Rocket Lab.
You just mean competition wise, right? Like who's gonna put up with it? You know?
Yeah, there is no competition. If you do anything, he's just gonna buy you.
Yeah. Guys, make sure you join on YouTube and TikTok as well because I posted the live stream on TikTok if you want a better. I'm sorry, the live stream on YouTube if you want a better view. I'll post it here for you guys as well. You can just click on my Trading Simplified or just go on the X as well. X, I have the live stream up too. My live stream's handle's a little different here though. I'll put it here for the Trade Simplified. Because if you're struggling to see it on TikTok, there it is. That's the Twitter. Yeah, so we did these predictions, Oscar. We were talking about what level were we talking about for the I was saying 200, but I realistically 185 was the goal. Wesley got 180. I like that too. So, but we're still consolidating. This is just consolidation zone here. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. 167, no big deal. Let's see if it breaks lower. But we'll finally get some action if this thing can start selling off a little bit. Now, right now, it's consolidation zone. Love it, guys. Tell me what you guys think. We going up or down?
Uh-oh, don't jump. Move. Yeah. No. Back it. What the hell? What are they talking about a thermostat?
Yeah, Jae Young. It looks like it's just trying to hold at this point. The volume change the temperature of the stock goes up. Guys, I'm gonna have to. The AC, it's like not keeping the. It's not keeping the house warm. I don't know. It's not keeping it cool. I don't know what's going on. I guess they heard our conversation because they're saying turn the AC down. They said turn the heat off so they're gonna stop.
Uh-oh, don't jump. Move.
Yeah, that sounds pretty freaking accurate. Yeah, Jay Young, I wonder what's gonna happen when we switch out the TikTok 10 days from now. Hopefully, it switches back to a regular account. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to make a new TikTok account.
No, you don't, bro.
No, because it got like switched up with the business account to personal. I don't even understand why that happened, but whatever. But hopefully it works out. We'll wait 10 days. We'll switch it over, and it should be back. Because I can't even post videos. I can only live stream on TikTok. When I post videos, they don't get sent to anybody. Yeah, I mean, if you're buying today and you're holding for 3 years, I feel like I wouldn't even look at the price. Just go enjoy your day. If you hold for 3 years, what's the point of watching? Yeah, Nvidia and
That's what I
NVIDIA.
was saying.
No, I agree. I agree with you, man. What else are you gonna do? Man, we need a real pullback, though. I mean, come on. This consolidation is like no action here. Yeah, it's definitely a scalp. I agree, Alien. Definitely a scalp history right here today.
You can make $1 million today. Just close your eyes and pray, and then when you wake up, see if it's there.
Jay, I'm going for $1 million. Yeah, thanks for
I said,
subscribing.
how can I make $1 million today?
Yeah. Let's go.
They already started buying the ETFs last week. When everything sold off, the money was already rotated.
Really?
Yeah, I told people to look at NASA ETF, what, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, that was in the WAP. They wouldn't know anything about that right now. Are you shorting it? You're down 5K. How you down 5K? What'd you buy at?
Yeah, what'd you buy at 171?
I don't know how. Everybody should be up right now on SpaceX. Made $1,000 today? Nice. How don't know if I'm reading that right. It says Jess made $1,000 today. Good for you. Average price $159. Love it. Yeah, ETH. I like ETH. Ah, the hell. Let's go.
Need to buy me some Visa.
What's Visa at these days?
I'm gonna check, see what they did today. I ain't looked at it today.
Visa? I don't know what it's at.
Visa is at
Oh,
321.
Yeah, 321.
321.
That's fine.
When as low as 319, 52-week low 293. Been down all year.
All right, Jay Young. I think we're gonna end the live stream. We're gonna go from here. We are consolidating this 166 to 174. Can't trade off of that, and we'll just be patient. I appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. And we're gonna do another live stream tomorrow, just going over the overall markets. We'll go over QQQ, SPY, SMH, IWM. We'll go over the Big Mag 7. We'll look at SpaceX again, of course. You are welcome, Jess. Thank you. And we'll go.
BM&R.
We'll go over BM&R because Jay Young in our WAP loves to do. He loves to buy BM&R. If you join the WAP, he'll talk all about BM&R for you. Somebody's asking, do you do one-on-one calls? I've honestly thought about doing it. We've thought about doing the one-on-ones, but I'm not really sure how you would do the price structure for that. That's why we kind of just do the WAP. $20 a month, you join the WAP. You have over 25 members right now, and we go over basically like, you know, stock levels and my trading strategy. We have the blueprint that we sell is ready. So, I mean, that's kind of what we do. I think if you realistically thought about it, if you do the one-on-one, you would learn talking it through, but you'd be better off just doing the blueprint that I have. It literally costs $50, and that would get you started. Finish the blueprint, then do a one-on-one would make more sense. I'm not even really sure how much you charge for a one-on-one, to be honest. That's why I haven't done it. That's why I stick with the WAP for now. But Jayon, what do you think a one-on-one would be worth?
I think it depends on how depth the conversation is.
Exactly, right? And it's like really depends where you're at.
I think we need to build a questionnaire that they need to do before you do the one-on-one, so you can see where they actually are and they go on the conversation. Because, like you said, you do a one-on-one and they don't understand market structure. Well, that's a lot. It's
Exactly. Like that's what I've noticed with new members is we got to see like really where you're at. You know, like do you know anything about trading? Anything about that? That's why I always say, thank you for sending the rose. Appreciate that. Thank you for sending. I don't want to call him daddy. It feels weird calling somebody else daddy. But thanks for sending the rose. His name's Daddy. I'm like, I don't want to say daddy. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the rose, D.
Yeah, then it also depends on what kind of trader. If you want to be a trader, investor, a swing trade, a scalper, it depends on what you want to do. That's another one.
Yeah. So Yeah, exactly. You could just DM me if you want, but I always recommend you could just join, just check it out. You can literally see it on my TikTok. I have the WAP link. You could check that out as well and all that. So you can check out if you want to see the blueprint. That's a one-time purchase, or you can join the WAP, which is normally $20 a month. I'll include like a little discount just for you guys because you're here. So I'll include it right here in this link for you if you want. You can join it. If you don't want to, no big deal. Show up to the live streams on YouTube. Support that. Let me get a little ad revenue from YouTube, and I'll appreciate that. But I think.
I'm 35, Jess.
Oh, my heart. Anyway, so Jay Young's giving away his. Jess, don't ask for Jay Young's Social Security. He might give it to you. All right, so don't give it to him. Right? Don't ask for it.
You ain't gonna be able to do nothing with it. This thing locked up.
It's locked up. That's funny. Yeah, so this is what Jay Young always complains because on Saturday mornings I do the recaps and I do the pre-market analysis.
Bro, we not getting up at no 7 o'clock in the morning.
So guys, I live stream early in the morning. Like I'm up early. Like I was up today at 4:30 in the morning. People, and that's Eastern time, right? So people don't like to stay up. They don't like to wake up that early. So I will record it. It'll be on YouTube. It'll also be on the WAP. The WAP members gain access. So just if you see me live, it'll probably be tomorrow at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. tomorrow, probably. What? What, Jayoung, what are you talking about? Jayoung's always trying to sleep in.
You're 19.
Yeah. Jess is 19. She's probably.
You're 19. Yeah, definitely join the WAP.
She's probably not waking up at 7 a.m. to do pre-market analysis.
Yeah, she can set herself up. If she's 19 for real, you can set yourself up big time. Especially.
Well, you can invest in retirement accounts and pay no taxes. So. So, I mean, that's really where it's at, guys. Guys, this is pretty cool. This was the first time I've ever had 300 live viewers. So that is pretty awesome. But he is right. If you're trading in a taxable account, you got to be careful. I trade in all the accounts, so you have to be careful about that. You know? You need to, at 19 years old, you really should be thinking like simple and buying like VOO long term. Just dollar cost average every week, VOO. Thank me in 30 years if I'm still live streaming or if I'm dead or not. But you can thank me in 30 years. Your VOO every single week or month. Just throw money in there all the time and you'll make money. I have literally an S&P 500 fund in the WAP that I just buy every single week. Yeah, so you just keep buying long term. If you want to learn trading and actually like have more diversified portfolio and actively trade stocks, then the WAP is really for you. You have Jay Young with all of his stuff that he has in the WAP. But I mean, that's really for you. But if you're so young, you got to max out that Roth, you know. You got to get in there.
You're going to do Roth and traditional. You're going to do both. You're going to do the Roth first.
Well, yeah, it depends what she makes, you know. That's all stuff you could chat about, but that's, you know, that's if you're 19 and you're truly 19 and you're investing, you have a big head start and you have time on your side, and that's really what you need to be focusing on. And that is so valuable because I remember when I was that young buying the S&P 500 and my gains were over like 300% just from buying S&P 500 like so many years ago. I mean, that's all you have to do if you at the end of the day. But if you want to actually trade stocks and everything, you can do that. And I think it's good to know both. I think it's good to have both. You know, this is what the WAP is if you just wanted to see. If you don't want to see it, no big deal. But this is it right here. This is the Trading Simplified. This is where I sent you the discount already here, where you have the live community chat. You gain this chat access. This is the chat right here. Is this Jay Young? This is Jay Young messaging hold right now because I guess he's talking about SpaceX. And then you have everybody that communicates in here. So this is it right here. And then you also have like the announcements tab, which we go over here, what to expect. And then we also have the weekly stock levels that we break down that we're watching. And you can see we just break them down as we go. And these are different levels that we're watching. You have different swing trade ideas that we have on here. And not just the swing trade ideas, the educational options tracker, which is the most important. That's Jay Young. That's what he's buying actively for options. And he's always doing this. So I'll just bring this here. And then my best one,